So you've never been on an e-bike?
I try it now, then, I?
A pedal assist e-bike. You just pedal back. Whoa!
Oh, that's all right. Can I get my hand? Oh, we're all right now, aren't we?
Yeah, knock it up a cog. Ah. What number's that?
I got my head down, didn't I? Hang on, give it to her.
This is obviously Bullhead's first go on a pedal assist e-bike, and it's, well, I think he's going to be surprised. I really enjoyed it. It surprised me, and I expect the same with him. Here he comes. Well, that was a good approval. You know what Bullhead's like. That was a really loud shout, so that's very good. It should be. Look what he came here on. That's his pride and joy. He spent an arm and a leg on that, he told me, many years ago. And, well, he's got Hope brakes on there. Look at that. He's even got his name on the brake discs. Front and rear. Here he comes. Steady! Yeah, oh my God, look. He's even got Bull LFC in the rear disc. Yeah, I don't know, he's got some sort of grandma seat. I don't know what all this is about. Oh. Some bomber forks. Some sort of Fox float rear shock. Well, it's got the parts. Once upon a time, maybe. Oh, I wouldn't even touch that, but I've had a tetanus, so I should be all right. Oh, here he comes. Wow, it's pretty quick. Usual story, he's not going to stop, is he? Watch that dog.
Yeah. You reckon?
Speak to me. Stop getting the tyres dirty. I hope you ain't using the brakes. What do you think? Have you been looking at the speedo?
Yeah, I've got old double nickel coming down here.
What's that?
42. Yeah. What do you reckon to it? I like it, don't I?
I told you would.
Yeah.
It's better than that contraption you arrived on. Look at it. When did you buy that? Never mind.
2003, I think that was.
Bloody hell.
It was all buoyed up. It was top of the range then.
Oh, now look at it compared to the Trek Marlin 5.
Oh, not the XR2. Yeah, not faster.
I know, the tyres.
Yeah, look, XR2.
You are showing your age, XR2. Well, what did you think then? You're out of breath. You shouldn't be.
You'll go hold on to it again now, though. Yeah, when you're going up and down a few times, but you need to. We need to go out in the open a bit. I need to try it out.
Yeah, I know. This is just
just going up and down. Yeah,
it's all right on this private track.
Oh, absolutely.
That's the
what
thing,
I
you
mean,
can give it a proper test without
Another quick twister now, though, isn't it?
pushing the law. Whoa! Have you been changing gear?
Right.
He nearly came off then, I think. He's gone. Yeah, just have another go on my bike, Buller. Help yourself.
There you go, pretty good. Guys, the fumes would kill you. I had to back off. I'm going to dust him.
Exactly what I think when you're on electric. Oi, calm down then. You'll be off in a minute. I forgot to mention he's got his full body armour on and gloves and no helmet. Doesn't make sense. Hey!
Let's put the toy away a minute.
Yeah, I want to save the voltage for myself.
Ah.
You probably...
It's another like some nervous surround type thing. You just go off, look at some gateways again. You go off again. That's sort of...
Are you impressed?
Yeah.
Do you want one?
Oh yeah. It's perfect for collecting up your roadkill.
Huh?
Yeah.
You're from a different county than me. Your language. Let's see that kid. Look at him.
Yeah, but no, definitely I could. That's what I mean. You should perhaps go off somewhere for an hour.
Look, you want to take my bike? You want to go on that scooter, don't you?
I do it all, don't we?
I know. Thing is, it takes about 8 hours to charge this fully. It's only a slow charger.
I definitely. It's a lot more advanced now, though, isn't it? It's just where you can just open gates again, isn't it? And just go off.
It's just funny, isn't it? But you got to be careful on those skinny rims. You're tanking around. Christ, I didn't record you coming past those people because I didn't want to get them in the video.
Oh,
But
they look good.
oh my God, yeah, I didn't think he thought so of his kids.
Yeah, you know.
You steamed past
I did
them.
load of birth. Yeah, show them.
I thought, no, I'm not going to record because obviously I don't want to point the camera at you and them.
They're good looking at me.
I thought you'd wait.
No, wait, just keep it twisted.
Thumb it. No twisting on
No,
this.
it's not good, no,
Careful. You don't
it
want to
was
shoot the
that
bike
sort,
off.
That's what I mean. When I'm full lock, I can't touch the floor or else I'll be off. So you've got to twist it.
Yeah.
It needs to come, like you said, and come down and jump.
But the pedal assist. See
Yeah.
why you don't need to change gears and stuff?
I do, I got it top out.
Oh. Did it work all right?
Yeah.
Because I've never actually changed
Yeah, I did it,
anything.
yeah. That's why I could get some speed up.
Get some speed, mate. I got 49 on that speedo. Down a hill. Yeah, you 42.
I double vision, didn't I?
Look, he's not big. Look, he's got full body armour on. Gloves. No helmet, but that hair.
No, it's like
pretty
a parachute,
thick.
Isn't it? It's like a parachute.
Landing that, it's like landing in a pile of hay, I expect.
Yeah, it's good, isn't it? But yeah, like you said, it's something you can have a. Let's get a few more laps out of it and then put a tag on it.
I love it. It's great. And it's got your approval, yeah?
Absolutely, yeah.
Good.
Said it's right going up and down. Like you say, we want to go out for an hour somewhere.
You're going to get the e-bike bug now.
Yeah.
You just got to find a
Yeah,
frame
get e-bike.
because you won't get anything on that. You're not going to get anything on that, mate. And that thing is some
No,
contraption. Those Hope brakes, well,
Yeah,
you better hope they work.
I didn't see those, I know. What does it say on there?
Well, I know, but they're so old, mate.
Yeah, I know.
They are old.
Not when it was in 2000, that was the hope, wasn't it?
Yeah, 2000. Do you know how long ago that was?
Yeah, you're alright.
You're only 28. You must have had it when you were 7.
Completely different height from that one, yeah. See, this is more comfortable. This one, I can really bob it about. Look.
Oh yeah, straight over the bars.
Yeah, let's go and get the e-scoot.
Well, let's think about the e-scooter then. Yeah. All right. That's it. I hope you enjoyed.
Yeah.
Moto Machines out.
Yeah.